I finally did it. I finally achieved what I wanted. This is the finished product. This is from concept, design, to reality. This is my hinge. This is the final result. So you got 1 inch of structure underneath your bed. You got 1 inch of structure above your bed, right? Or that is the bed, the wood. You got the hinge components itself. You got your bed frame structure that everything's gonna sit on to bear all the weight. Now check this out. This thing comes up, clears, moves away. Boom. Awesome, right? You got 95 degrees of action. We all love action, right? So, now check this out. Tape measure, or ruler. Okay, this guy sits at 2 1/4 inches from this thing, right? So we want to make sure that this stops moving above the 2 1/4 inches. So I'm going to cross my fingers and let's see if that happens. 2 1/4 inches. Oh, and would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh, would you look at that? Check this out. I'm going to mark this. 2 1/4. Okay. And this comes up and stops at 2 7/8. So it elevates the bed 1/2 inch. As well, this guy here is 3/16 from this. You can make it tighter, it's up to you. This was just a rough draft, I just needed to mount something on here. Now let's see how far this thing swings out. Like I said, 3/16. Comes up. And the bottom of that is, when it's vertical, it is 5/8. 5/8. So it moves 1/4 inch out. That is how you build a hinge, my friends. That is how you build a hinge. These hinges are for sale on badomanclassics.com. You can hit me up on PayPal, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, where you're at. And yeah, let me know. I'm gonna get you a set and you're gonna love them and they're gonna do exactly what you want, exactly what you need them to do. I'm excited, you should be excited. Let's install these in our trucks.